Floor heating offers a high level of comfort, saves energy, and is easy to install. Tyco Thermal Controls recommends 3 different systems. The T2 Red heating cable can be used for all types of floor. It produces the heat exactly where it's needed most. Hence we speak of intelligent heating cable. For ceramic floor coverings, we recommend a special product. This is the thin, easy-to-install T2 QuickNet heating mat. This mat is only 3 millimeters thick. But Europe's most efficient floor heating has to be the T2 Reflector, which is laid in combination with the T2 Red heating cable. This is a simple but ingenious system which uses the minimum amount of energy to produce the maximum amount of heat. Our new thin heating mat is known as T2 QuickNet. This is the perfect product for rooms with tile floors where the thickness must not be increased too much. T2 QuickNet is therefore ideal due to its thin construction. The mat is rolled onto the floor with the self-adhesive side facing downwards. Whenever a T2 QuickNet return is needed, the mat is cut, avoiding the heating cable, and made into a return, laid in parallel with, but in the opposite direction of, the first run. Once in position, the matting only requires covering with a filler. Then the floor tiles are laid and the new heated floor is finished. T2 Red heating cable can be laid underneath any type of floor covering, but is particularly suitable under wooden floor surfaces. The automatically adjusting cable will not overheat your floor due to its self-regulating properties. The distance between the heating cable loops is calculated to suit the application, for instance to provide comfort or heating. The cable is attached to the subfloor with an easy-to-use adhesive which dries rapidly. A special T2 carriage is used to make the installation process easier. Once the cable has been properly installed, it's cut off and a termination is fitted. The floor is then pre-treated to ensure optimum adhesion of the filler. This may also be done before the heating cable is installed. T2 Red is now laid onto a thin bed of filler. We recommend T2 Red and T2 Reflector as the optimum energy-efficient floor heating system. T2 Reflector is a heat-reflecting panel. Used in conjunction with T2 Red cable, it provides maximum heat and maximum energy efficiency by insulating the subfloor. The panels are first cut to size. Any swarf is then removed, especially from the retaining grooves for the heating cable. The T2 reflector panels can either be bonded or screwed to the substrate. Before laying the T2 Red cable, the floor must be thoroughly cleaned. Then, All that is required is the laying of the cable in the retaining grooves. T2 reflector panels are suitable for all floor coverings, wood, laminate or tiles. They can be used on all level surfaces, and the panels have excellent load-bearing properties. The panels must be fixed with T2 reflector adhesive. This will ensure optimum adhesion between the T2 reflector panels and the floor covering. If T2 reflector panels are installed underneath a wooden floor, the panels needn't be bonded or screwed into position. Even in areas where less heat is required, this isn't a problem. Because the T2 red cable controls the heat delivery automatically, it adjusts the heat produced as required. In this way, you never overheat the floor, and you achieve maximum benefit from the energy used. Whatever type of floor heating you decide on, we at Tyco Thermal Controls can offer you a complete range. We have the technical ability and extensive experience in this field. Contact us now before you get cold feet.